Vice Ganda didn't just join MMFF, she actually owned it every single time.
Maraming salamat sa Metro Manila Film Festival at kinikilala niyo ako at ang kakayahan ko, isang baklang performer. Maraming salamat.
From 2010 onward, she became part of the Christmas Filipino tradition. May ham, may karaoke, and may Vice Ganda film.
Sa susunod, kung wala kang pang-taxi, tawagan mo ako. Hindi nagtsatsaga ka sa kalesa. Diyos ko, ang baduy mo, ang ganda mo pa man din.
Ang salbahe mo. Paano pa kayo ugali mo kung gumanda ka, no? Tsaka mo, girl.
Ano? Hoy! Kung inakala mong mas maganda ka sa akin, kung iniisip mong mas maganda ka sa akin,
Ano?
tama ka. Kaya tumban yan. Sasagisa ako yung mga yan.
Baklang
Umalis na kayo.
Simulan natin with Petrang Caballo. Camp Excellence, no? Talking horse. Ganda. May metaphors for karma.
Hindi ako ang gitera. Kasi, maganda ako. Mahirap man kami, maganda ako. Wala man kaming pera, maganda ako. Kahit na uuhaw man ako, maganda ako po.
Vice made moral lessons sparkle with blush and contour.
May nandun siya?
The message of the film, simple lang naman eh. Magpakabait ka, pero dapat maganda ka habang ginagawa mo yun.
Teka. Ma'am, sige na, sakay na po kayo.
Ay, hindi. Parang ayoko na. Dito na lang ako manganganak.
Then we go to Private Benjamin. This is the first bakla action hero, like iconic. She won wars not with weapons but with wit, no? Like, dapat bigyan siya ng Nobel Peace Prize Award sa totoong buhay.
Nasaan yung tiara? Eto, aking tiara, dali!
Alam mo yun, like, she turned military service into a pride parade.
Love na love ko na ang mga baklaro gang guide. Promise ako ko, love na love ka na ng lolo mo.
True, bro, baby, I love you!
And for the first time, audiences saw that bravery and bakla aren't just, they weren't opposites. They were synonyms.
I miss you, baby.
Wow!
Uy, jojowa ka rin lang naman pala ng kamukha ko, ba't di pa ako?
Then we go to the classic girl boy bakla tomboy.
Can I explain? Wala ka nang dapat pang i-explain dahil alam na namin lahat na yung budhi mo ay sing-itim ng pagkalaki-laki mong nunal. Nunal? As in mole? Oo. Ayan, nasa bibig mo. Nagmumurang Mole of Asia.
Masterclass in acting by Vice Ganda herself. One body, 4 genders, 1 brain cell. Talent!
How could you not care for all of us all these years? Your sister, your brother, and even your mother. Huh? Galing ng te ha. Straight English ha. Saan mo nakuha yun? Ay, yung binasa ko lang nakalagay sa script, nakalagay, Mark.
It wasn't just comedy, it was a consensus. Alam mo yun, like, the queerness wasn't confusion, it was actually range.
Gusto ko na yung ganitong sitwasyon. Yung okay tayo. I feel you, bro. Ow! Oh. You're such a joker. Such a Batman.
Every punchline was hope and every ticket sale was validation. And for the first time, a bakla wasn't just in the movie, she was the movie herself.